This is a scary space fact. Imagine staring into the night sky and seeing nothing. No stars, no galaxies, just black. That's not science fiction. That's the Boötes Void, and it's terrifying. The Boötes Void is one of the largest known voids in the universe, a region so empty, so vast it's been nicknamed the Great Nothing. Located about 700 million light-years from Earth, the Boötes Void is roughly 330 million light-years across. That's big enough to fit 2,000 Milky Ways yet. Nearly nothing exists inside. The universe is supposed to be filled with galaxies evenly spread out. But this region, it's just empty. Some say it's from ancient collisions. Others that it's a cosmic scar where physics broke down. What's the most terrifying part of the barren expanse? There are no answers, only questions. What did exist here? Why did it disappear? And is there anything we don't know that's lurking in the darkness? First, let's rewind time and imagine what once existed within the Boötes Void. You see, according to the Big Bang Theory, all matter, energy, and space were initially bunched together. As the universe expanded, everything started moving apart. Galaxies formed and the universe began its never-ending journey into darkness. But then something happened to the Boötes Void, something unknown, something destructive. Now we're left asking questions. How did this massive empty space form? One theory suggests that the Boötes Void is the result of several smaller voids merging together. These ancient collisions could have caused the formation of a supervoid like the one we see today. Others say the void is a cosmic scar, a place where the laws of physics as we know them simply do not apply. Here, gravity doesn't work the same way. Stars don't shine and galaxies don't form. It's a realm where the fundamental forces of nature seem to have broken down. And then there are the wild theories. Some believe the void was once home to countless galaxies and stars. They lived and died here until some unknown force swept through the area, consuming everything in its path. Others think that force is still at work. They believe the void isn't just an empty space. It's a gaping maw waiting to consume anything that gets too close. Imagine stumbling upon such a void while traveling through space. You might think you found a new galaxy, but instead you'd be met with an endless expanse of nothing. Your ship's sensors would go haywire, your communications would fail, and your very existence would become meaningless within the Great Nothing. Then there's the multiverse theory. Some believe the void wasn't always empty. Instead, it was once a gateway between universes. But when the two universes collided, the gateway collapsed, leaving behind a scar of nothingness. What's even scarier is that some say the collision wasn't an accident, it was deliberate. Someone or something from the other side pushed through, shattering the void and tearing open the gateway. And now they're watching us from the other side, observing our universe as if it were a fish tank. But why would they do that? Are they friendly or hostile? Will they try to enter our universe, or are they just as trapped as we are? As you ponder these questions, consider the possibility that the Great Nothing could hold the key to everything. Perhaps within that void lies the answer to the universe's greatest mysteries. Maybe there's a higher power, a greater intelligence, something beyond our understanding that's waiting to be discovered. Or maybe, just maybe, the void is truly empty, devoid of any meaning or purpose. If that's the case, then the scariest thing about the Boötes Void isn't what's inside, it's what's outside. Because once you realize the universe might not have a grand plan, the darkness can seem a little less daunting, a little less terrifying. After all, if there's no greater meaning, then we're free to create our own. So what will you do with your existence? Will you embrace the darkness, or will you bring light into the void? The choice, as always, is yours. If that sent chills down your spine, like and subscribe for more terrifying truths from the cosmos. Because sometimes space is scarier than fiction.